Good morning everyone. Welcome back to grade 3 mathematics class. So I hope all the concepts that we learned in chapter 2 are clear to you. Now we'll have a revision session today. Please take page number 34 in your textbook. You can see the heading revision station. We'll discuss the questions given in that page today. So the first question, choose the correct answer from the given options. 240 plus 790 is the same as. You are given three options here. Now, let's first find out what is the sum of this addition. So, 240 plus 790. 240 plus 790. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry over 1. 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1, 10. So, this is the sum of the addition given in the question. From these options, we have to find out which combination of addends give the same sum. Let's try the addition of each of these options. So, option A, 630 plus 300. Let's find out what is the sum in that case. Here, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. So, is A the correct answer? No, it's not. Now, let's move on to option B. 850 plus 280. Now, 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 5, it is 13. Carry over 1. 2 plus 8 is 10. Plus 1, 11. Here, it is 1130. Is that our sum in the question? No, it's not. So, let's find out if C is the correct answer. Let's do the sum. 400 plus 630. 0. 3 plus 0 is 3 itself. 6 plus 4 is 10. Yes. Here we have the sum which is the same as the given question. So, the correct answer or the correct option for question 1 is option C, 400 plus 630. Now, let's move on to the next question. Which of the following gives the correct sum? Here also you are given three options. Now, let's check if the sums given in the options are the correct ones. Now, here 7 plus 5 is actually 12 ones. But here in the question, it is given as 7 ones. Is that correct? No, it's not. Let's see what is the correct sum of this addition. 7 plus 5 is 12, carry over 1. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 1, 9. 3 plus 4 is 7. So, for option A, the correct sum is 792 and not 797. Now, for B, 8 ones plus 5 ones, it is 13 ones. You have 3 here and carry over goes here. So, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. Now, 4 plus 3, yes. This one is correct. 793 is the sum of these two addends. Now let's check the third case also. 534 plus 159. Let's see if the sum is correct. 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry over 1. 5 plus 3 is 8. Carry over 1. 9. 5 plus 1 or 1 plus 5 is 6. It is 693 and not 793. So, the only correct option is option B, 325 plus 468. Now, let's move on to the next question. A shopkeeper sells 139 cones of chocolate ice cream and 241 cones of strawberry ice cream. Altogether, he sells. So, it's a word problem given there and you can see the keyword altogether there. It means it's an addition problem. And you are given the number of chocolate cones and strawberry cones. You have to add these two numbers to get the total number of ice cream cones that he is selling. So, from the question, let's take the addends. It is 139 plus 241, which is the number of cones of strawberry ice cream. Now, let's add the ones first. 1 plus 9, 10, carry over 1. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus 1, 3. So, what is the total number of ice cream cones that he is selling? It is 380 cones of ice cream. That is option number or option C. Now, the fourth question. 360 people visited a science exhibition in the first week of May. The number of people increased by 100 in the second week. The total number of people who visited the exhibition in the first 2 weeks is. So here also you have a word problem. Here it is said in the question that for the exhibition, in the first week, how many people visited the place? 360 people. And by the second week, the number of people increased by 100. So in the second week, what would be the final, what would be the number of people visited? That would be 360 plus 100, which is equal to 460. So in the first week, 360 people visited the exhibition, and in the second week, how many people? 460 people attended the exhibition. We have to find out the total number of people who visited. So that would be 360 plus 460, which would be equal to 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry over 1. 4 plus 3 is 7. Plus 1, 8. So the total number of people visited is option A, 820. Hope this is clear to you. Now, let's see the next question. 4,166 men, 3,980 women, and 750 children live in a village. The total population of the village is. So you are given the number of men, women, and children living in the village. You have to find out the total number of people in the village. How do you do that? You have to add all these numbers to get the total population of the village. So let's add all these numbers. 4,166 plus 3,980 and 750. Now 0 plus 0, 0 plus 6 is 6 itself. 5 plus 8 is 13 plus 6 is 19. A carry over 1 to the next place. 7 plus 9, 16 plus 1, 17 plus 1, 18. A carry over 1. Now 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 1, 8. So what is the total population of the village? It is 8,896, which is option B. Question number 6. In a train, there are 245 first class seats and 662 second class seats. The total number of seats rounded off to the nearest 100 is. How do you round off numbers to the nearest 100? When you are rounding off to the nearest 100, the rounding digit is the hundreds digit, and you have to check the digit in the digit to the right of the rounding digit. And if it is less than 5, you keep the rounding digit as it is and change the digits to the right of it to 0. And if the digit to the right of the rounding digit is 5 or more than 5, you add 1 to the rounding digit and change the digits to the right of it to zeros. In this case, you are given the number of first class seats and the number of second class seats. The total number of seats will be the sum of these two numbers. Once you find the sum, you have to round off to the nearest 100. Let's do that now. Let's first add these two numbers. 245 plus 662. 2 plus 5 is 7. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry over 1. 6 plus 2, 8. Plus 1, 9. So, the total number of seats in the train equal to 907 seats. You have to round off it to the nearest 100. So, let's round off 907 to the nearest 100. Here the rounded digit is the hundreds digit, which is 9. The digit to the right of it is 0, which is less than 5. So, let's keep the rounded digit as it is and change the digits to the right of it to zeros. So, that would give you 900. So, what is the correct option here? It is option B, 900. I hope this is clear to you. Now, the seventh question, 243 plus 483 is equal to, you are given three options there. First, let's find out the sum of the addends given in the question. So, 243 plus 483 is equal to 3 plus 3, 6, 8 plus 4 is 12, carry over 1, 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. Now, let's find out the sum of each of these options. So, the first addend 483 plus the second addend 243. Now, 3 plus 3 is 6, 8 plus 4 12, carry over 1, 2 plus 4 6 plus 1, 7. The sum is the same as the given sum from the question. Let's check the sum of the other options as well. 443 plus 384. 4 plus 3 is 7, 8 plus 4 12, carry over 1, 3 plus 4 7 plus 1 is 827. Is it the same as the given one? No, it's not. Let's check the option C as well. 443 plus 284. 4 plus 3 is 7, 8 plus 4 is 12, carry over 1, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7. It is also not the same sum as the given question. So the correct option is option A, 483 plus 243. There is one more clue from the question. Here it is 243 plus 483 and option A is 483 plus 243. The addends are interchanged. We know even if we change the order of the addends, the sum remains the same. So this the answer to this question should be this one. Even if we do not actually find the sum, we can directly write this one as the answer to this question. Now, there is one more set of questions given there. Add the number at the top to each number and fill in the box. One has been done for you in each option. See, you are given one number here and there are three numbers given below it. You have to add this number to this number and then you will get this sum. For the other two cases also, you have to do the sum and find out the answers. Let's do the first one, 276 plus this option 36. What is the sum here? 6 plus 6, 12, carry over 1, 3 plus 7, 10 plus 1, 11, carry over 1. Now 2 plus 1, it is 3. The sum for this one is 312. Similarly, please find the sum of the other questions as well. Today we had a revision session and as an activity for the day, please look into page number 35. You can see a worksheet there. You have to go through all the concepts once again and also the revision station page and then do the worksheet. Please do take a picture and send us. So that's all for today. We have come to the end of chapter 2. We will meet in the next class with a new chapter. Until then,